So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. You can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. First, you want to expand HT current user, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand Google. Now you want to click on Chrome. If you see anything here that's to do with Java, you want to delete it. So right click, delete. Delete anything here to do with Java. Next, you want to expand policies and expand Google if you have it right here, and expand Chrome. And then do the same thing. If there's anything here to do with Java, you want to delete it. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to Chrome, then you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on Settings. Once we're here, on the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security, and then click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you find JavaScript, click on this. Make sure that you have Sites Can Use JavaScript enabled. If any sites that you want to use JavaScript on are blocked right here, then you want to unblock it. And instead you want to allow it right here. Just click on Add, and you can then add the website. And then the problem should be fixed.